see what we got here. I'm for sure gonna have some of that right now. We got an MRE Menu 16. This is, in my opinion, the best MRE that there is. Don't hate me. And we can't forget the Bev. Alright, bruh. I'm not gonna lie, I am getting hungry. Who texting me? I am getting hungry. You know, got to put the shoes away. This is my little home. Oh, yeah. Yep. Oh, damn. Got my keys, my wallet. Oh yeah, look what I got. I got me a headlamp, bit. Got the bed. I shouldn't be talking and eating. That's really rude. Alright, bro, let's dig in now. So we got the menu 16 chicken burrito. What's it called? Tech school. That's all I ate. Had to trade with everyone. So this was the shit. Here's the pack. Obviously waterproof. Keep this for trash. I'm not gonna lie. I think tonight. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? ¿Por qué? Tonight it's about to get in the low 30s. I don't know if y'all can see that. It might get pretty cold. So we'll see what happens, how I feel. If this shit way too cold, I'm dipping. I'm out of here. Let's dig in. I'll show y'all what it comes in. Alright. So this is a bowl right here. It's like, I think, pretzels. Trail mix. Gum. If it's red, that means it's peppermint gum, I believe. Wipes, salt, pepper, tissue. You know, basic stuff. Yeah. Alright, chat. We got a drink also. He's like a protein drink. Oh no, never mind. This shit, I forgot. This thing comes with the Bev. We got them tortillas. Yup. It's a main meal right there. Dessert. Toaster pastry. Yes, sir. Dessert right there. Chunky peanut butter. Stop playing. Those are really good. Alright. Hot sauce. Oh my god. Service members are living good. No, not really. And then obviously we got a utensil. Last but not least, we got ourselves a heating pack. All you gotta do with this one right here. Let's start cooking this. Sorry if I'm bad at commentating. There's directions step by step, but to skip all the directions, just don't fill over this line. Your main course to heat up. In here, if you want to heat up the peanut butter too, because it's like kind of thick and like hard, you can heat up what you want to heat up. And you know, we can heat up the tortillas and all that. So let's rip this thing open. Remember, clean as you go. Alright. Got it right here. You hear it going. Oh yeah, it's getting hot. It's getting hot, baby. Put the main course in. Everything that's in. The tortillas. Tortillas. Everyone eats. That boy on TikTok is crazy. That boy be eating a lot. Ooh, that shit hot, boy. Close it up. Close it up. Put the sleeve in here. Have it on a tilt, I think. Pretzels. Oh shit. Nah. Yeah, I guess pretzels should mix. So this got 300 calories. 10 grams of protein. Alright. Outside the wind kind of picked up, not gonna lie. I waited about like 10 minutes, I'm not gonna lie. Because I like it. I have some patience in life, you know what I'm saying? My mama told me, if you have patience, you win it. She didn't really. I just came up with that right now. We got them tortillas. Yes, sir. And we got the main event, the main menu. Dark as hell. Not gonna lie, that post kind of scared me. I was like, bro, who the fuck is that? Oh, fuck. Kind of full. And it's kind of really cold. I didn't really finish, I'm not gonna lie. I'll just save it for breakfast tomorrow morning. But what I do got though, what I do have is my toaster pastry chocolate chip. That's really yummy. You know, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm not allergic to peanut butter, but I just don't care for it. And I feel like someone who's allergic to peanut butter and like they can't eat peanut butter but loves eating peanut butter, like I feel guilty. because I don't care for it. Because I know people go crazy for peanut butter. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, but I think I'm about to hit the hay. My camera's about to die. I'm gonna eat this up and go with it tomorrow morning.